Good evening po. My name is Jay. Today I will draw.
And?
And today I'll study phonics.
Okay, now we are in the letter P.
P.
Okay? See the letter in blue color. Circle the letter that matches the blue letter. Okay, what is this color? What is this letter?
P.
Okay.
P.
And
P.
this is B.
B. And
H.
A.
P.
P.
Which one the same as here? This one. Okay? Now hear it. Bear. Bear. Tie. Tie.
P?
Yes. Pope.
P.
Pope. This is letter P. Very good. So this one read Pope.
Pope. P.
Very good. Next. Dad.
Dad.
Ball.
Ball.
Did you understand? Okay, next here. Beginning sounds P. Circle the picture that starts in letter P sounds. None. None. What letter? None. What letter? N. Okay? Look at here. This one. Dal. Dal.
D.
Pants. Pants.
P.
Okay. So this is the picture that starts in letter
Pan.
P.
P.
Okay, this one. Duck.
Duck.
Duck. What letter?
P.
Very good. Pail. Pail.
I think this one is pale.
Okay, pail.
Pale.
What letter?
Pale.
What letter?
P.
Very good. So, what you will do for the letter P?
Circle and
Very good. So, this one, chick. Chick.
C.
Very good. So, this one, pin. Pin. What letter? Pin.
Pin.
What letter?
P.
Very good.
Circle.
Okay, the next, robe. Robe.
Ah.
Very good. Time.
T.
Very good. So this one, cat.
Cut.
Oh no, this one is vet. Vet.
B.
Very
V.
good. Yes.
V. Bell.
Bell. What letter?
B.
Very good. Pad. Pad.
P.
What letter?
P.
Very good. So did you understand? The beginning sounds letter P.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
How many pages is this?
this is beginning sounds P. Circle the letter on which the
Pen.
picture starts. Okay? Wait. Pen. What letter?
I know P.
Wow. Are you sure?
Yes.
What is this?
Log.
No, this is not log. Ate, what is this?
B or
What
P.
Yeah.
There's no beginning. Okay.
Yeah, beginning. Okay, this one is pave. Pave. What letter?
P.
Okay, go.
I know P.
This one is bike.
B.
Bike. What letter? Sit down. Sit properly. This one is
8.
sit down.
8. Is this cake?
No, this one is not cake.
What's that?
This one is later that one. This one is pand. Pand.
P.
Very good. So read this one. The dad.
Dad.
Pope.
Who? Mom.
Very good. So which word starts in letter P?
That's the P.
What is that? Pope.
Pope.
Very good. Next, we are in ending sounds,
Yeah,
letter P. Ending, okay? The last letter. The last sound. Did you understand? Huh?
Yes, but the first one is on.
Okay, so write this first. Oh, you make like that. You have headache? Faster.
I feel so cold.
You feel cold. Okay, this one. Chick. What the ending?
C.
Chick.
C.
Chick. Ending. The last word. The last sound. Chick.
K.
Very good. Soap.
P.
Very good. Cake.
C.
The ending.
Cake.
Very good. So which one ends in P? What is this?
Soap.
Very good. Jam. What? What letter?
M.
Very good. Map.
P.
Very good. Car.
Van.
Van.
M.
Van. Van.
N.
Very good. So which picture is ends in letter P?
Map.
Very good. What is this? Ram.
Wham. Uling.
What's the ending sound? Ram.
M.
What this? Pan.
P.
No, the ending sounds. Pan. Pan.
No. N. No.
And very good.
N,
This
N.
one.
Cap.
Cup.
C.
Ending.
Oh.
Cup. What's the letter?
P.
Very good. Okay, next. Go, circle. So this one. Stop.
Stop.
What
P.
letter? Very good.
9.
9. What letter?
N.
N. Oh, you are confused with N and M. 9.
I say N.
Okay, N. So this one. Made. Made.
P.
Very good. So which one ends in letter P? Ends in letter P. What's that?
Stop.
Very good. Did you understand the
Yes, po.
ending and beginning sounds letter P?
Now,
Sure.
I will here.
Still here in ending sounds. Circle the letter of the correct answer.
Cap.
Cap. What letter?
P.
Okay, circle. Very good. Did you understand well? Soap.
P.
Very good. What is this? Map.
P.
Very good. 10. What letter? Sit properly.
N.
Okay, circle. Next. Pope.
P.
Very good again. Pin. 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 Pin.
O. N.
Very good. Next. Sin. Look at here. Sin. What is this?
Sin.
Sin. Him.
Him.
Map.
Map.
Which word ends with letter P? Very good. Now read it again.
Sin.
Him.
Him.
Map.
Map.
Sin.
Sin.
It's read by sin. Read.
Wait, I'm gonna.
Okay, read this one. Sin.
S. N. N.
Okay. Him.
N.
H-I-M. Him.
I M.
Map. M-A-P.
M-A-P.
Did you understand very well the beginning and ending sounds letter P?
Yes, po. Now I'm here.
Okay.
Complete 2 letters.
Did you understand?
Yes, po. I show
Very
my
good.
drawing.
Okay, show me your drawing. Wow, Ate is not yet done, but her drawing is so nice. Say thank you, guys. Thank you for watching.
I make it dark. I'm making it. I'm done, but I make it dark so then they can see.
Okay, say thank you,
Thank
guys.
you guys for watching. Like and subscribe.